Hello everyone, and my name is Abu Bakr Mahmoud, and in this video we will go through the non-parametric functions in Dalinga, the functions that we use without providing any parameters. We'll go to our database here, school that we created in the last video. We will add a table and we will name it staff. We have the table staff, then we will go to edit. And we will just maximize by pressing here. You can maximize the area that you want to work at, the table editor. Staff, let us just delete all these fields and then leave the ID. We will add one field. We'll call it F name, first name. It is any name. And then we have L name. It is not any name, it is male name. So these functions are parameterless. It doesn't have any parameters. The ID also is a parameterless. It will provide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we save like this, and then we press here, we can see the first name and last name because we are using the English locale. So if we change it to, for example, Chinese, and then save, and come here, refresh, you will see Chinese names, first name and last name. Now, if we want to know all the parameterless functions, it is here in the Dalinga help. And unfortunately, right now, we don't have something that will tell you that this function is parameterless unless you read the description. For example, the decimal, it's not parameterless. It is parametric function because you have to give it the first decimal and the last decimal and the decimal places. By default, it is 2 if you don't provide any one. So I'll just try to use my memory just to tell you about the parameterless functions. We'll go back to our IDE, relational databases, school, and then we'll go to the staff. And we have also the car. Car, we have a function named car brand. And it will give you a car brand, just like Toyota, Mercedes-Benz, stuff like that. And then we have the car color field, which will use the Dalinga function color. And then we have now heading. This guy is heading now to direction, DIR. It will give us like north, east, south, west, stuff like that. And then the title is title. Let us save this. And then we'll come here and refresh. We'll see it all in Chinese. So let us go here and then change it to English. Save. And then refresh. So the first name is Dorothy, last name is George, car is Lincoln, and car color is white. Now heading to north, title is Miss. So this is by accident only that we have a female name here, Dorothy, and Miss, but there is no logic that will give us a title of a man. For example, here, Jennifer, first name is Jennifer, last name is Mr. This is just random values. Okay. And then we have the royalty. Also, we have any name, female name. Female name, we can use it as a mother, for example. We go to the IDE, staff, mother. It's female name. We'll save it. And royalty, we added a field here. President, we'll use royalty. It's a royalty title like king, queen, stuff like that. Then we'll come here to refresh. This is all president here is king, president, queen, prince, stuff like that. Queen, and we see all the data. So this is the parameterless functions, functions that it doesn't need any parameter. Let us take the title here up to the top. So it will be the title and then first name, last name, car, stuff like that. Save it. These are parameters that doesn't functions that doesn't have any parameters. In the future, there is one enhancement that we will add. So when you add here, for example, we have also address. The address. So what I'm trying to say is in the future, we will add, like if you write address in the field name, we will give you immediately the function here as address without writing it. This will just make it faster to create your tables. And if you write first name, it will give you any name or F name. If you write F name or first name, it will give you just any name. If you write last name, it will give you male name. So these are like, if you write some car here, or if the field name ends with color, we will give you color here immediately. This is gonna just enhance creating the tables very fast. So these are the parameterless functions in Dalinga. You can use it, and I hope that it is very clear. You can learn more from Dalinga help. Thank you very much for this video, and see you next videos. Thanks a lot.